Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and it's Wednesday, so I'm reading a story. Today's great story is called Stuck by Oliver Jeffers. It's a super funny book about a kid who gets his kite stuck in a tree and all the fun things he does to try to get it down. So let's get started. Okay, Stuck by Oliver Jeffers. Stuck. All right. It all began when Floyd's kite became stuck in a tree. He tried pulling and swinging, but it wouldn't come unstuck. Here it is. Well, the trouble really began when he threw his favorite shoe to knock the kite loose. There it goes. And that got stuck too. So he threw up his other shoe to knock down his favorite one. And unbelievably, that got stuck as well. In order to knock his other shoe down, Floyd fetched Mitch. I think Mitch is his cat. Well, cats get stuck in trees all the time, but this was getting ridiculous. Oh, poor Mitch. He's up there. Floyd fetched a ladder. He was going to sort this out once and for all. There he goes. And he threw it. I'm sure you can guess what happened. Uh-oh, looks like it's stuck. The ladder was borrowed from a neighbor and would definitely need to be put back before anyone noticed. And in Floyd flung a bucket of paint at it. Well, there goes the pink paint. And wouldn't you know it, the bucket of paint got stuck. Then Floyd tried a duck to knock down the bucket of paint. Whack! A chair to knock down the duck. Oh, there it goes. His friend's bicycle to knock down the chair. The kitchen sink to knock down his friend's bicycle. Floyd's front door to knock down the kitchen sink. He took the door off. The family car to knock down their front door. Hello? Did you get up here the same way? The milkman to knock down the family cat. Oh, gosh, there's a lot in the tree. An orangutan to knock down the milkman, who surely had somewhere else to be. It's getting crazy. A small boat to knock down the orangutan. There he goes. A big boat to knock down the small boat. A rhinoceros to knock down the big boat. A long-distance truck to knock down the rhinoceros. The house across the street to knock down the long-distance truck. Floyd? Boy, Floyd is strong. A lighthouse to knock down the house that no longer was across the street. Hi, what are you doing? A curious whale in the wrong place at the wrong time to knock down the lighthouse. And they all got stuck. Oh, that's a crowded tree. Wait till I tell your mother. A fire engine was passing and heard all the commotion. The firemen stopped to see if they could help at all. And up they went. First the engine. Can we help at all? Followed by the firemen, one by one. There they go. And there they stayed, stuck between the orangutans and one of the boats. Firemen would definitely be noticed missing, and Floyd knew he'd be in big trouble. Then he had an idea and went to find a saw. Uh-oh, is he going to chop that tree down? Oh dear. He lined it up as best he could and hurled it up the tree. He threw the saw. You better watch out. Pop! And that was it. There was no more room left in the tree, and the kite came unstuck. Floyd was delighted. He'd forgotten all about the kite and pulled it to use immediately, enjoying the rest of his day very much. That night, Floyd fell asleep exhausted. Though before he did, he could have sworn there was something he was forgetting. Guys, did he forget everybody in the tree? Oh, hang on a minute. I've got a great idea. Oh my goodness. Yep, they're still all there. Well, Floyd eventually got his kite back, but those poor guys still stuck in the tree. I hope there's another story to get them down. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next Wednesday with another story. Bye for now.